Hello there! Today I want to show you a couple options of forming rolls. I have prepared my raisin roll dough and want to show you a couple different shapes. Obviously if you watch my YouTube for the raisin rolls, you will see just the regular round shaped rolls, and I'll show you in a second how we would do those. And then I want to show you today, because it's that time of the year, a pumpkin shape. So I think it's super easy and has a nice effect. And then I make some small braids, so like little braided rolls. I have already prepared one of each, but I'll show you here how I do it. So before I do much with the dough for the pumpkin, I flatten it. And as always, I do my fold and stretch into the center. Go around until I have a nice round shape. Go turn it over and shape it with the palms of my hands. And that will be a regular roll now. So if I just bake it as my YouTube shows, that would be the normal roll. So I leave that shape. Try to push the raisins, or if you make the chocolate chip version, try to push them in a little bit. And then I have a string prepared here, 3 feet in length. And you literally just put it across, turn it over, tie it once, make it a little, that it gets that shape. Do the same the other way around. So now we have quarters. And we do that one more time so we get the nice pumpkin shape here. Go around here. And last this way. And tie it. Try to make them as as in a nice shape as you want before you do the final version. Tie it, cut the excess yarn off. By the way, I got the yarn at the regular grocery store, so it's regular kitchen yarn. Push the raisin a little bit in if you want to. And that would be the pumpkin shape. So you get a good idea, that's the pumpkin shape. Now we do a braided version. So braiding means I roll it down, make it 3 sections, roughly the same, here. This is a little more than that, so we'll give it extra. There we go. Make it 3 rolls. Similar length. Put them together and braid them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finish the end and come back to the beginning again. Open it here and form it nicely. That just turns out better. Let me look here. There we go, this way. And then just do it like that. And there's the second braid. So I do one more, make the rolls. Put them together on one end, do the little braiding. Come back to the beginning and make that look nice and pretty. And there we go. So now we do one more pumpkin. Flatten it again. Fold and stretch into the center so we get a nice shape roll. Turn it around. So that will be our normal roll. Take the string and make little packages. Oops, maybe a little more center here. A little more. And now tie it, turn it, make the quarters, and you can see how easy it goes. And now we do the little pumpkin sections. Sometimes you, there we go. Tie it. And cut off the excessive yarn. I just wanted to give you these, little ideas today, because obviously same dough as before, just different ideas. So you learn a little bit on the different techniques. So from there we keep going as we're showing it in both YouTubes. You let that rest another 30 minutes, put the egg wash on and bake it. I will show you the final results in a little bit.